Guys, how many of you and a name say Ayensuano but a video about Ayensuano MP on about the Safari Adi. But the video I say he is the perfect MP. Me realize it and I say our footness. And then people were talking about him. We posted video on TikTok and I could break one some Charlie. I know him, he's a very nice guy. I've met him before, he's doing an amazing job. Now let me name that say there's a chocolate company a year can say Ayensuano. Until today, I'm realizing okay. I saw a video whereby Honorable Teddy Adi me follow no I saw a video of him going to Ayensuano constituency and a chocolate company owned by Ghanaian government but a private individual, I mean a private company almost everything I establish Ayensuano. Na there no they produce chocolate cocoa no to free e can say farmers no ho na they produce a chocolate na they call a world market, and this is an amazing job. I see this thing and I'm very amazed, and it's like these things I think say every person needs to, I mean, collaborate and then bring that kind of companies to their locality or their areas, because seeing this creates more employment and then brings more, I mean, works or more jobs to the environment. So it makes you happy, I'm saying Ghana say, finding job is kind of another difficult thing. It is a chocolate company being established in your area or your locality or your constituency. That's kind of a different vibe. Yes. And then he went there, make an inspection, check the whole place, see how things runs, and then Charlie, the video that is showing on your screen is when he visited the company, and then Charlie, Ayensuano MP, Honorable Teddy Saforiadi, he's an amazing person, and then I will not say one of the company by, or he is the person that led the company to be established in his constituency, but it's kind of a different vibe, Yes. So everyone watching this video, I don't know. I know there are some elderly people who watches my videos, and then Charlie say if you pray about locality, it creates more employment, and then you see room wasn't built one day, a gradual process. So establishing company also makes the people get a job to do, and then say I don't know, they buy the cocoa from the farmers, and it also like it generates money within that area nankasa. So Ayensuano MP and his constituency is really doing an amazing job. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. A brief notification of what is going on in the country. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.